Before it collapses, 5 hidden engineering mistakes that destroy buildings.
Seamless. A building can look strong, but if the foundation is weak, failure starts underground.
Most collapses begin below the surface, not above it. When loads don't flow properly from slabs to columns to foundations, stress builds up. That hidden stress slowly destroys the structure.
Bad structural detailing. Small detailing errors in beams, columns, and joints create weak points. Cracks start small, but they grow with time.
Using poor concrete or weak steel reduces strength from day one. The damage begins long before anyone notices.
Ignored maintenance water, corrosion, and neglect quietly eat away at structures. Most failures happen because warnings were ignored.